Hello, Hartley B. Singer here. This is an experimental video. It's about product feeds, part 1, how to set them up and I guess what good they are. And for part 2, I'll cover the second part, what good they are. And part 1, hopefully you'll get a better idea what this is, because a lot of people are saying, where's my product feeds? How do I upload all my Shopify products or transfer from another store into it, or get AliExpress the entire apparel and health and beauty categories, upload thousands of products? And that's not what this is about. Okay, so what if you go in your dashboard of your My Ecom shop and you go to support, you can log in or not. You go search product feeds, and what you get here is a release 2.31.5 to 2.32.7, highlights of new features, product feed from Microsoft Advertising. We have developed a dedicated product feed that you can now use in Microsoft Merchant Center to run Microsoft product ads. Number 2, phone number and support email display, quantity for any products, blah blah blah. This was done in May 2020. Okay, I just wanted to put that straight in this video, that this was an update of 2020. This is related to advertising, and a disclaimer. This is my latest orders. My last sale was in October 2018, because I was doing stuff on the other side with the DNP sites. Okay, but anyway, this is what you do. You go to stores, and let's say you have a stores. I'll pick this Bird Lover, for instance, because I know I did that. I've got 4 products, and if you go see this thing here, that's where the product feed is. So switch to new, view, reorder, settings, categories, previews or reviews, add product without a template, or add product directly from the source. Okay, what I'm telling you, it belongs right here, and the reason it's not here is because I archived this page and I brought it back. So what I have to do is I go to the Marketing Hub. This is probably the first time. You go to the Abandoned and you'll see this thing, would you like to activate the Marketing Hub license? And then if you launch it and activate your Marketing Hub license, and then you'll have it. So now this is what, like, I've already set up campaigns, so that'll be that's another video of the Marketing Hub. But when I go back to products, you'll see now over here there's the product feeds. Okay, so if you go to product feeds, this is where you can add new product feeds. And I'll tell you, before I get to this part here, you may have already created a store and you forgot to set up the Google part, because that's where it is. I'll tell you where it is. Let me pick a store. Okay, I've got a lot of products on here. I got 50 products. Let's just view all here. On my public products, I've got 10 entries. Okay, so I've got 10 entries. But if I go to the product feeds, and I want to build up feeds, it says, it looks like you don't have categories set up for all products on your store. Please assign category for every product on your store and come back once it's done to grab your product feed. So it's giving me 3 products. So I'm going to show you how to fix these. And it's basically, I don't know if you can see this, google.com/base pages/ product type / taxonomy with IDS EN capital U capital S dot text. And this is the Google products. This is all the numbers that you see here. Then you go back to your store. Let's say here, there's this product. I don't have a Google. So somewhere under the category, I put battling heart and stroke because it's a finger pulse oximeter. What do I call it? The digital finger OLED pulse oximeter. Okay, so I have no Google product categories, but if you go into here and you have to select one, if you'll notice that all of this, if I just expand everything here, that's this. Animals and pets supplies, animal pet supplies, bird cages and accessories, right? Bird cages and accessories. So that's where it comes in. So like this, you have to pick one, but it's really hard to find one because you don't know what the number is. It'd be nice if you could just search for a number and you just plug it in, but right now there isn't. So like say here, I've got this oximeter, digital finger pulse oximeter. If I want to search this, I'll go Control F and I'll go oximeter. And look at this, I found one. So right now, under category 555, health and beauty, health and care, right? That's where it is. So I would go back to here. I go to find health and beauty. So let's see, go here to health and beauty. And then I click on this to expand it, right? And then health care. So then I click and expand this one. And then biometric monitors, and pulse oximeters. So there it is. It highlights it, and then I can select it. Now it comes under this Google product category, and I can go up and save the product. Okay, so let's see. So I'd add a few more, I think, right? So clean this up now. Anyway, so I go back to the feeds. And I got two products, so I'll go to this one here. This one is Super Sucker Shower Handle Support Grab Bar. Okay, so if I go into my Google and I say look for grab bar, look at that, safety grab bars. So now I can go into here. I highlighted it so it's easier for me to read, right? So I go to Home and Garden, find this Google product category, Home and Garden, right? And then it's bathroom accessories, and then just safety grab bars. Safety right here, and select. So now I've done that. I gotta go and save it, save the product. Okay, so just X this out here. Actually, I can X this out here too. So now, if I were to just refresh this page, there should only be one left, right? Okay, so now this one here is, what's this? Detachable pill case with splitter cutters. Okay, so what's that? That's just the pill case. Okay. So now I want to go to my Google taxonomy and I want to say pill case. Pill space case. Okay, pill. Okay, so I got another thing, pillow covers. I'm just going to go through. There's pillows. Pill boxes. Look at that. So I'm going to use this on pill boxes. That sounds right. So I can go health and beauty, healthcare, and pill boxes. So I'm going to go down here and select health and beauty, healthcare, and pill boxes. Okay, so now save. All right. So now if I go back to products, let's get this out of the way here. I go back to products and product feeds. See now, there's no error message, and I can say let's add a new product feed. Okay, so I want to add a new product feed, and here I'm going to name it Battling for Health. That's the name of my store. Oops, can't type. Battling for Health. Generate the feed file URL. So I'm not going to put any spaces just in case. I'm going to put health products 01. I don't know. Just I haven't done this in a while. Okay, collections. So I don't have any collections, but I do have categories. Those were the categories I created before just above the Google. And I'm going to say health products for healthcare. So now I've got 0 private products and 3 public. So I'm going to select the public products. And do I want to search for products? No, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to generate a list. So now I've got this feed here that has these 3 products. Okay, how do I view it? There is a way to do it. I'll do that in my next video. I think you'll see it when you upload it into... This is for Facebook advertising. I don't use Microsoft advertising. But let's say I want to add a new product, and I'm going to use, let's just see here. Let's see what my store has here. So that's healthcare. Oh, here's one. Diabetes. Okay, so I'm going to do another one for, I'll call it Battling for Health. Diabetes 02. Select group. It'll be a category, and it'll be the diabetes category, and 2 public products for that. And I'm just going to generate a list. Like, the idea is now, whenever I add products in my store to the diabetes category, and say if I'm running ads in Facebook, I'm hoping to test it, because I haven't done it in 2 years, that it will automatically include new products. So here, instead of adding a product to like for a new Facebook ad every time, all I do is add products to this feed, and it'll pick it up in Facebook advertising. So I've done that. I've created a healthcare product. This will probably be healthcare. Let me rename it. Can I rename it? I'll put it as healthcare, just to match my healthcare, just to match my title, my categories. And I'm going to leave it here for now, and and get ready for part 2 of product feeds.